So here we have a 2019 Dodge Ram 1500. We just put a 6-inch FabTech on it. With 26 by 12s and 37s, which you will have to cut. As you can see, we will have to cut. Let's see. We will have to cut that piece right there. And we will have to cut that piece right there. Came out pretty nice though. And this one did get the coilover option. This one is running coilovers. With the Dirt Logic shocks in the rear. Now on this side you do have to cut. This one actually rubs quite a bit. As you can see, it's already sitting on the tire. So when you do a sharp turn right now, this one rubs, so we will have to cut quite a bit of this one for some reason. But on the front it doesn't rub as much. So it hasn't been aligned yet, so we're gonna wait till we align it first. Once we align it, then we're gonna figure out how much we need to cut on both sides to where it's even. Because on some vehicles you have to cut before alignment, because then you won't be able to align it correctly. So this one we were actually going to put on the jack first, line it, and then cut, so we can make sure we don't cut too much or cut too less. Inside's pretty nice. Got cloth seats on this one. Got a huge screen. It is 4x4. Just coming to Fort Worth, go back home, had to get tent, get used to that Fort Worth lifestyle. Now it's time to go pick up my truck, Chad Truck and Royalty. Have this fucker fix my truck now. Holy! Goddamn, nigga, who's sitting over here? So we got it to where I can attempt to drive it back to the shop so he can continue working on it. Still not running all the way good, but I'm gonna try to drive it to the shop right now.
You're on the light.
Thousand years later.
Motherfucker right there. You made somebody lose a lot of money. There's a lot of niggas betting against you.
Yeah.
How much y'all bet? Fuck they doing? Oh shit, get that nigga.
Back up. Everybody back up. Huh? Go get in your car and get the hell out of here. Go. Everybody now. Everybody. Push it. OG, chill out. Huh? They finna leave. No, they finna leave, OG. Just turn around and walk away, bro. Huh? Hey, OG, let them make it this time. Walk away. Go get out of here. Get in your car and get the hell out of here. You gotta make it. Let it go.
Hey, fuck the bullshit. What happened? What?
Get in your car
and
go. Get in your car and go.
Is that you got rid of?
I'm gonna say take out, bro. Leave.